In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select in GIMP. If you've ever wanted to edit just part of an image without touching the rest, selections are how you do it. A selection is simply a chosen area you can change independently, and GIMP shows it with a moving, dashed outline, often called the marching ants. Once you see that outline, anything you paint, fill, or transform will stay inside that boundary. Let's start with the Rectangle Select tool. Click the Rectangle Select icon or press R, then click and drag across your image to draw a box. If you want a perfect square, hold the Shift key while you drag. After you've drawn it, you'll see handles around the edges. Use those handles to fine-tune the size or position until it frames exactly what you want. Next is the Ellipse Select tool, which is usually grouped with the Rectangle tool. Choose it and drag to create a circle or an oval. For a perfect circle, hold Shift as you drag. Just like with rectangles, you can adjust the shape after drawing by pulling the on-screen handles, which is great for fitting around round objects or soft highlights. For irregular shapes, use the Free Select, also known as the lasso. Pick it or press F. You can click around the edges to place points and outline a shape, then connect back to where you started, or simply draw freehand in one motion. When you're happy, press Enter to confirm the selection so the marching ants appear and lock it in. If you need to select areas based on color, try the Fuzzy Select tool, also called the Magic Wand. Choose it or press U, then click on a color in your image. GIMP will select similar colors nearby. In the tool options, adjust the threshold slider to control how wide or narrow that color range is. Lower threshold means a tighter match. Higher means a broader sweep. Select by color works similarly, but it isn't limited to neighboring pixels. Instead, it grabs all pixels of that color throughout the entire image, which is handy when the same color appears in multiple spots. For clean edges along objects, the Scissors Select tool uses Smart Edge Detection. Click points along the object's boundary, and GIMP will guess the curve between them. If a segment doesn't hug the edge well, add another point to guide it. When the outline closes, press Enter to turn it into a selection. Finally, for complex subjects like hair, use Foreground Select. Roughly mark the subject, then refine your strokes so GIMP can extract it more precisely. With these tools, you can target exactly the areas you want and make confident, precise edits in GIMP.